It's Wolverine Amtrak train 352 departing from Battle Creek in 62 degree weather here in Michigan on Wednesday, February 18th, 2026. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me. And if you did, go thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it would bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also do me a favor. Hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But again, this was filmed on Wednesday, February the 18th, 2026. Until my next train video, y'all take it easy. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.